Pecans, walnuts, granola, oats, sliced jujube, coconut oil, coarse salt. Ready to blend them all together? Close the cap, blend it all up smoothly. Careful, the blades might stick. Oh, it smells good already. Prepare a pan with paper foil. Spread the mixture evenly inside the pan. It looks good already. I could honestly eat it right now. In a separate bowl, protein powder, agave oil, coconut oil. Mix it up. Mix it to this density and pour the protein on top. This is so satisfying. Spread it out evenly. Ta-da! We're now going to freeze it for 2 hours. See you later. Ready to cut. Take it out from the pan and remove the paper foil. Wow! Look at the thick protein on top. Cut them into bite size. The protein powder is really thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sprinkle some granola on top for some crunchiness. And voila! You have some energy bars with protein powder. Last, make your Korean red ginseng extra powder tea. It balances the sweetness of the energy bar. Enjoy! If you guys are curious about our products, check out our website. See you guys next time with some new recipes. Bye!